Hey everyone, this is CarFix. Let me show you how you can turn this damaged paint into this. Today I will walk you through the full process of polishing and applying a ceramic coating from start to finish. Stick around because I've got a bonus tip to make your ceramic last even longer. First of all, we will try out two different polishing pads to see which one gives a better shine and removes more scratches. We will start with this pad, which is very rough. We mount it on the orbital machine. For this car, we're using Sonax X-Cut 5.5. To protect the car's paint, we first spread the polish evenly over the pad to get it ready. Now let's get started with polishing. Drop 4 to 5 dots of polish on the pad, then spread it out over the car surface like this. Try to focus on a 20-inch section at a time. Start the orbital machine on speed 1 to safely spread the polish. Once the surface is fully coated, increase the speed to 3 or 4 and polish the section for about 30 seconds. Next, we use a microfiber towel to wipe the surface and see the results. This pad is also rough, but not as much as the previous one, so there is no need to spread the polish on it. We just follow the same steps we did with the first pad. So we tested out two different polishing pads and this one achieved a noticeably better shine. Start the orbital machine on speed 1 to safely spread the polish. Once the surface is fully coated, increase the speed to 3 or 4 and polish the section for about 30 seconds. After we're done polishing, it's time to degrease the surface. Here is your special bonus tip. For best result, before using the silicone remover, we need to wash the car. So let's hit the car wash. When washing the car, keep a few things in mind. Don't wash it under direct sunlight and don't touch or scrub the surface. Let it dry on its own and use a proper car shampoo. So remember, no touching. As you can see, the grease is almost gone. This method helps the ceramic layer stick better and last way longer. Now we can go ahead and apply the silicone remover. This is the ceramic coating we're gonna use, Nodule ZR53. It's got a hardness of 10 and can last around 3 years. We put 2 drops per inch on the pad and spread it on the surface. Just make sure to work on a big area so the ceramic goes on nice and even. After applying the ceramic, wait about 30 to 40 seconds, then you can wipe it off with a microfiber towel. It doesn't really matter if the ceramic goes on the pad or straight on the car. Just spread it well so it's covered the whole surface. You can also use the ceramic on plastic parts and inside the cabin. Once we've done these steps on the whole car, let it rest at least 8 hours before moving on to the next step. Now we can put on the coat. We're using Nodule F2, which really makes your ceramic shine even more. We spray the top coat on the car. Once it's on, wait about 10 seconds, then spread it with one microfiber towel and use another towel to wipe off any leftovers. Alright, using this method, just apply the top coat on all the spots where you have put the ceramic. You will get that awesome shine and max water repellency. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this kind of cool tips and tutorials, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.